Since 1988, Allied Molded has continued to produce a wide variety of electrical enclosures suitable for the toughest applications and environments, from small push-button enclosures to large freestanding cabinets. Now, with more experience than ever, Allied Molded has developed a cover solution to protect exterior HMIs, electrical components, or push buttons which may require frequent attention or detail. Our HMI Cover Kits enable users to access electronic components and monitors without opening the main enclosure. This greatly reduces the risk of arc flash and other shock hazards. We offer a variety of sizes that best fit most displays and configurations because we understand not one size fits all. From our small 10 by 8 inch to our large 16 by 14 inch, we're sure to have the best size for your required application. HMI cover solutions are offered with unique latching options and cover types to best suit your specific application environment. A solid opaque cover design or a clear polycarbonate cover design is available for easy viewing of electrical components. And secure latching options include snap latches, a hinged screw cover, or tamper-proof screw cover, giving you the option to choose what works best for your unique application. The installation process is simple, and protecting your electrical components has never been easier. With the provided cover kit mounting hole pattern diagram, the cover kit can be mounted in a vertical or horizontal position to create alternate mounting configurations. When the mounting style and direction are met, mark the desired placement on the enclosure cover. Drill the marked hole locations on the enclosure surface, then fasten the cover kit with included mounting screws and hardware, and the installation process is complete. All kits are created to mount securely to the outside of any enclosure and feature a strong and rigid design, maintaining NEMA 4X and IP66 ratings with the use of our formed-in-place polyurethane gasket system. The kits are well suited for outdoor applications, protecting components from exterior elements such as dirt, dust, oil, and water. If used in an outdoor setting, our covers provide reliable UVA and UVB protection for displays and components mounted under or beneath the cover. For more information on our HMI cover kits or the products or services we offer, simply call or visit our website at alliedmolded.com.